Samsung Galaxy G Fold, a tri-fold revolution unveiled in One UI 8 animation. Get ready for a groundbreaking innovation. Samsung has finally pulled back the curtain on its highly anticipated tri-fold device, the Galaxy G Fold, through an exciting animation featured in the latest One UI 8 update. While Samsung's tri-fold device remains shrouded in secrecy, this reveal provides an exciting glimpse into what we can expect from this innovative design. Easily the most significant leak yet, an animation embedded in the One UI 8 has treated us to a sneak peek of the Galaxy G Fold. This discovery, highlighted by Android Authority, shows us how the device appears both from the back and fully opened, and even highlights where the NFC antenna is positioned. One of the standout features is the triple camera configuration, reminiscent of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, accompanied by a selfie camera on both the external and internal displays. But here's where it gets truly intriguing. Samsung's tri-fold blueprint presents a unique approach compared to Huawei's Mate XT. Unlike the Mate XT, which folds out into a Z shape, Samsung's version features the outer display centered between three panels. This design opens more like a tri-fold poster, creating a seamless and expansive viewing experience. Sound familiar? This concept echoes what we saw earlier at Mobile World Congress with the Flex G, a prototype displaying a similar, impactful design. And don't miss this. The Samsung Trifold could be making its official debut at the imminent Unpacked event, though the spotlight might still shine on the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 for the time being. Rumor has it that the Galaxy G Fold could hit the market in October. Ready to be part of the action? Samsung is already accepting reservations for the Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7, offering bonuses like a $50 credit and substantial savings. This offer won't last long, so consider booking your reservation today to snag these exclusive perks. What do you think about Samsung's Trifold innovation? Could this design redefine portable devices, or do you prefer more traditional folding fests? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your opinions can spark the fascinating debate.